Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this tomboy outfit inspo in DTI. So here we are serving tomboy slay today, and I'm showing you how you can create this chill, confident, and effortlessly cool tomboy outfit that proves you don't need frills to kill the runway. Let me show you the steps. As for the hair, I'm going to just use this straight hair in here and color it brown, and I'm going to combine it with this bangs here also in the same color. Sorry, not this one, this one. Okay, so once you're done with the hair, you can start with the outfit. So first I'm going to grab this top from the women's sections and toggle it into tight. Change the color into black. Now I'm going to put on this sneakers in here and change the first into white and the second one to black. And I'm going to grab this jacket from the men's section and color it gray like this. And for the pants, I'm going to just grab this white jeans from the jeans self in here and change the color into black. And I'm going to grab this hat and toggle it into number 2, change the color into black. And if you want to, you can also add this bandage or band-aid in here. And let's say I'm going to just go with nose. Like this. And now I'm going to grab this scalp in here and change the color if you want to, but I'm not going to. And I'm going to grab this belt, change the color into black. So this is the final look for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.